Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make 2 journals along with a matching note card to send as a gift to a friend using the same paper pack. You can get many of these journals done with this paper pack, and it's Simple Stories Life Captured. I will be using a half-size composition book. All the products are linked below. And we will cut our paper 7 inches long and 5 inches wide. Part of the paper will be over the edges of the composition book when we put it down, but we will go ahead and trim it to match the composition book, and it will look very seamless, and you won't have to have any special tools. So I suggest gluing this down. I'm using Gina Connect glue, and then we will put it down on the composition book and press it very firmly to make sure that we get good coverage. And it might shift, so you just want to make sure you really press it down and get a good coverage of the glue. You can even set it to the side to dry if you wish, or you also should flip it open and press it down even more. Just you want to make sure it really adheres good, and then we'll just take our scissors and trim around the edges. So you can do this with very minimal supplies and your paper pack. So next I want to cover the back of the book, and I've again cut a sheet of paper 7 inches long by 5 inches wide, and I'm going to glue that to the book. Your leftover paper we're going to use in just a bit to make a matching note card, and I have the chapters for this video below so you can easily skip to those parts. But again, just make sure this adheres good. You will again flip it open, really smooth it down, and then trim it. And I suggest using the glue over double-sided tape because it's easier to manipulate. I think it's great to just trim away the paper. You don't need any kind of punch. You just easily trims right around the side of the little journal book. And this is just going to make such a cute gift. I'm so excited about how many that I can actually get out of this paper pack. I have cut away one of the little boxes, and I'm going to decorate it because this is for a friend who loves plants. I thought I would choose Do Your Thing and Document, because she might want to write down some of the plants that she has or plans for her plants. She loves that. Or she might just want to carry this little journal in her purse to write down little notes. And as you'll see, after I adhere this down, the stickers easily move around, and I've changed those up. But this is just an idea. You can do so many different things with this pad, but this is just some cute little ways to send a fun little gift to really surprise somebody in the mail. My next example is a book for a friend that just loves books, And I thought, well, maybe she'd like to take some notes, especially if she's in a reading club, or she may want to just carry a list of things she needs to the store. I just thought this was super cute way to do this, and this time I am going to do the front and the back in the same color paper, but then jazz up the front of the book. And this time I've put it down on both sides, but I'm going to continue to do the same thing. So just relax, sit back, and enjoy watching the journal be created. I also decided to add a little pocket to this journal, and I will go back and add a pocket to the other journal. I will use score tape to put the pocket in place so that it stays in place, but I thought it would be a nice little element if they'd like to put maybe their book receipts, a little gift card they may have, anything just to put down in their little book to document their journey of reading or plants. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this project gave you inspiration to spread joy and make someone happy. Have a great day.